Morning. So just after training, it's my first day back at university today. Nice 9 AM start. So I'm up pretty early to hit the gym. Got a chest and triceps workout. Maybe a little bit of shoulders. We'll see how time goes. Just gonna get it all in. Nice quick hour. Smash out some volume. Get it done. So yeah, start of university today. Quite excited just to get back into some sort of routine. Okay, so you probably know what I'm talking to all of you, because today's a full day of eating. And what is Flood's Food Fitness without a bit of food? So here's my pre-workout. You can't see it because it's bloody dark. But it's Jordan's Fruity Bar and a toffee rice cake, which I just got from Morrison's. Very nice, very, very nice. So, massive truck about to come past, won't be able to hear me. So I'm going to catch up with you guys after the gym, probably breakfast, not going to film, so just want to get this done. Let's go. Just about to head off. Let's do this. I did that quietly because people are probably still sleeping. 9 AM start. What can you do? Catch up with you guys later. Have a good day. Have a good day. From my lecture, it was absolute crap. I want to commit suicide and drop out of uni. And just making some tea. And this is what I'm having for snack. One more lecture, a 1 to 2. Aerobic dance. So my actual module is gym and dance, and it's shit. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys. So I've got back from the most irrelevant lecture. I walked all the way to campus and it wasn't on. How fucking marvellous. And I've just come back to make lunch and I have spilled my lunch on the floor. It is raining, I am cold, I am very hangry. So I'm gonna make lunch and it should make me feel just a little bit better. I'm making dessert bowl, and Abby G is cutting up some veg. She's getting a bit camera shy. No, it's because the onions are making her cry. She's just getting a bit emotional now. She's a little bit emotional.
Oh no!
Family TV time, watching that Celebrity on the old box.
Oh no, I missed tipping point today.
Yeah, I know. They snapped in here when I was.
Don't worry, you guys. Maybe that's the band name needs to be in Burgundy.
Just gonna wrap up my vlog here. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you want to see more of me, give it a subscribe. And comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I'm sorry if it was a bit kind of all over the place. It was my first day back, so obviously I wanted to spend a bit more time focusing on uni than the whole vlogging thing. But we'll see. I'll see you guys in the next video.